The understanding of karma doesn't at all increase a kind of guiltiness toward what we are experiencing, but definitely brings us back a sense of responsibility. Whatever we are experiencing nowadays is the result of the causes we have accumulated in the past. Nobody else has accumulated causes that we are experiencing. We only do, indeed. And however we are thinking today, what type of thoughts we are generating today, is the basis for what we will experience in the future. In 10 minutes, an hour, 10 years, next life. All what we will experience is on the basis of what we are accumulating and what we have accumulated. So, the way I think builds the way I will experience.
Razumevanje karme prav nič ne vceplja nobenega občutka krivde zaradi tega, kar doživljamo, temveč v nas obuja čut za odgovornost. Vse, kar doživljamo zdaj, je posledica vzrokov, ki smo jih ustvarili v preteklosti. Nihče drug ne ustvarja vzrokov za to, kar doživljamo, temveč samo mi. To, kako razmišljamo danes, kakšne misli ustvarjamo danes, je temelj za to, kar bomo doživljali v prihodnosti, čez 10 minut, čez 10 let v naslednjem življenju. Vse, kar doživljamo, je osnovano na tem, kar smo ustvarili. Način, kako razmišljam zdaj, določa, kaj bom doživljal v prihodnosti.
Some people would think that karma is a burden. But if the law of cause and effect would not exist, how could we create the causes for enlightenment? It is all on the basis of our own mind. What do you want? Select the goal for your life. Once this goal has been selected, encourage it, meaning create the cause for it. You want to reach enlightenment? You might need to change your way of thinking, that way which comes from life and lives of disturbed influences, of wrong habits, wrong patterns of reactions. If you change that, progressively, it's your whole life you are changing, because it's the way you create karma that you are changing. So karma actually is a great tool. It's our best helping mechanism to walk towards enlightenment. But it requires an essential point, which is to have a better control, a better understanding of our own mind.
Nekateri mislijo, da je karma breme. Toda, če ne bi bilo zakona vzroka in posledice, kako bi si lahko ustvarili vzroke za razsvetljenje? Vse je odvisno od našega lastnega uma. Zato, kaj si želimo? Izberimo si cilj, In ko ga enkrat izberemo, to spodbujajmo, kar pomeni, to podprimo z ustvarjanjem vzrokov, da bomo ta cilj dosegli. Če se želimo razsvetliti, moramo spremeniti način razmišljanja. Ta način razmišljanja določajo življenja in življenja vplivov, napačnih navad, vzorcev in misli. Če to spremenimo, bomo spremenili vse svoje življenje, ker bomo tako spremenili karmo. Torej je karma odlično orodje, najboljše pomagalo na naši poti k razsvetljenju. Vendar je zato pomemben predpogoj, ki pa je boljši nadzor in razumevanje svojega lastnega uma.
Sometimes when we say to control the mind, people say, control, restrict, limit my own mind. I'm not crazy, I want to enjoy, to be free. What are we free about when we do not control our mind? When we think that we express no control of our mind, actually, we are just letting wrong habits accumulated since life and life and life, wrong influences to take place. And our ego enjoys that. Our ego is quite lazy upon work and likes just to do things which are fun for it. Thus, we don't progress. We cannot progress if we just let this vicious circle to maintain itself. An example about anger, which some of you know well already. Not the anger, but my explanation, or both of you. There is a certain tendency in our society to say, well, if you have anger inside you, let it to express itself. Don't limit it. Don't control it. It should not be expressed. All right? If we let our anger free, it means we are getting used to it. And used to it. And then we don't see it coming anymore. It just bursts out and we just let it like that. On the other side, I agree, we should not suppress our anger. Otherwise, it is like a pressure cooker, and at one point it might simply explode. So what we have to do is to find the middle way. The middle way about anger and other such emotions is to recognize them, to look at them, to question them, to analyze why they are coming, and if it is good to let them developing or not.
Včasih, ko omenimo nadzor nad lastnim umom, nekateri pravijo nadzor, da bi omejeval svoj lasten saj nisem nor, hočem uživati, hočem biti svoboden. Tudi kako smo lahko svobodni, če ne nadziramo svojega uma? Če mislimo, da smo svobodni, ko ne nadziramo svojega uma, v resnici samo dovoljujemo svojim napačnim navadam, preteklih življenj in napačnim vplivom, da se izražajo in našemu egu pa je to všeč. Ego je len in si želi samo stvari, ki so mu zabavne. Zato, da tako ne moremo napredovati. Ne moremo napredovati, če ohranjamo ta začaran krog.